So hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to troubleshoot an issue which is reported by many students that they are not seeing the toast in the Android emulator. So as you can see here, I have made here toast.maketext and it should appear upon clicking the search button, but it is not appearing here. So let's troubleshoot this issue. So for this, first of all, stop the project and close the emulator. Now launch the AVD manager. And from here, select the emulator and from this drop down, wipe data. It is saying, do you really want to wipe user file from AVD? Yes. Now let's launch again the emulator. You can close it. So now let's rebuild our application and flash into our emulator. So now let's check again, either it is appearing here or not. So as you can see here, our toast is starting appearing on our screen. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel. We have been bringing great content, courses and material for the beginners.